This video tutorial I will explain what is REST API. Let's imagine you are at a fancy restaurant and you want to order some delicious food. In that case, you don't just barge into the kitchen and tell the chefs what do you want. You have a waiter who takes your order and brings your food back to you. Now you can think of REST API like a special waiter in the world of computers. Instead of food, REST API helps different software applications communicate and share information with each other over the internet. When you use your smartphone to check the weather, it is like you are placing an order with REST API and you are saying, I want to know the weather for today. The REST API then goes and fetches the weather information from its kitchen. The kitchen is equivalent to big database in computer world. The database is full of weather data, and once it has weather information, the REST API bring it back to you, and your phone shows you the weather details. Just like waiter understands the menu and takes your order, similarly, REST API understands a list of instructions and responds with the information you asked for. It is like a helpful middleman that allows different apps and systems to talk to each other and share data smoothly. Just like a waiter making sure you get the right dish from the kitchen. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.